Hey guys, welcome back. So today's topic is how to create basic chart from a sample data. So let's get started. Okay, so this is your data you want to convert into Excel. Okay, so sorry, you want to convert it into a chart. So how do you convert it to a chart? Okay, before converting to a chart, you should know what data you want to be compared. So you want this description at one side and total amount at the other side. So you need to make sure that you select only this part. Okay, so once you select this part, you will see this icon coming out over here which says quick analysis. So just click it over here and you will see this formatting tab over here. This formatting tab is nothing but this formatting tab. Okay, so if you just place your mouse over there, then you can see those buttons, those icons, uh, and color sets based on what we have already discussed in the previous chapters. Okay, so in this case we will be selecting charts. So if I select this chart, it will show you what were the sales of these each of the equipments. Okay, if you want a cluster this type of chart, we can use those charts as well. So let's say I want this chart, so I will click on this and the chart is ready. Okay, so what if I want to create a chart? So now this is the way wherein you have created a chart. Okay, so now you can, if you want, you can change the chart styles to the one which you need. Okay, but before that, let me show you one more thing. I will just delete that chart. Okay, so let's say if you have selected this sales also over here. Okay, in that case you won't see the chart options. Okay, because this sales cannot be part of this description and total. So you need to make sure the data which you select is proper. Okay, so now if you want to manually insert it, you need to click on insert and then recommended chart. So if you click on recommended chart, you will see there are different types of charts which are available over here. So in this case, let me select this chart. Okay, so if you see over here, this chart is being displayed over here, and now you can change the style color of this chart. If you want to filter, you can also filter. Let's say you want to uncheck pen, then you can also uncheck pen. Okay, you want to change the row name or title name or column you want to change, then that too can be done. If you want to add something else, access titles or anything, then that too can be done. Okay, so let's say you have three scenarios. Okay, you have totals also over here. So what if you are trying to create a chart with total? Okay, so if I click on this button and go to charts, and if I click on this button, you see these are different kind of charts which are getting created, but these charts have no proper vision to the end users. Okay, so if he sees such kind of charts, then he won't be able to properly visualize what exactly does this chart means. I have selected this also, so I will just unselect this. Okay, just pressing Ctrl Z. Okay, so if you see over here, these charts have no use. So in that case, what we will do is we will only select this section, this portion of the chart, and then select the chart. So now you can see proper chart. Okay, and then based on your requirement, you can switch over to different types of chart. Okay, and we can see the styles also over here, which we will cover in detail in the next chapter. Okay, so if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.